Hey guys, Trent here. This is the Geekoto GT200 and what comes inside this bag is a portable studio. So inside the bag, this is the main unit. This is the box in which it comes in. Inside this box is the GT200 with the lithium battery, which is charging unit, and a handle. So you could attach this right to the unit itself and then just hand it off to your assistants to hold or put it on a light stand. So this is the unit, nicely balanced in your hand. This thing is equivalent to the same size as a speed light, but gives you about more than 3 times the power of a speed light. This will help you overpower the sunlight. This thing does high-speed sync, TTL, manual, slave, multi-mode. And inside the other bag, it comes with a couple diffuser. First one being the Softbox. This Softbox is equivalent to 24-inch, I believe. It does come with 2 diffusing unit. So this is the front, and then inside there's another batting. And then back here is a style where you can put a speed light, or you could put one of these without the handle and you just slide it in and lock it down. Okay. It comes with a handle on this Softbox, which could come off. So if you just have this set up already, all you have to do is just slide this onto and you're ready. So now you have this unit. So that handle is optional if you already have a handle on your flash. So this thing is very quick to collapse. So that's how quickly you collapse it. This is how quickly you could set it back up. So that's pretty much as fast as you can go. So the second diffuser that they included in here, that comes in this bag, is this ring here that attaches to the front, gets tightened down, and then you have a frosted dome type that just snaps on by magnet, comes off, very strong magnet. You have a honeycomb that snaps onto. And then there's also a gel filter holder. So it comes with 4 different colors: red, yellow, orange, green, and it sits inside here, and you could gel your flash and you could just snap that on. So you could combine all 3 if you wanted to. They all magnet and they all stack. They also include a light stand that comes up to about 7 feet, I believe, and it folds into itself and is super portable. So you can leave it on the ground like this, put a bag on there, or you could extend it higher. These are all made of metal, the connection here. Just the only plastic is this little plastic tab right here, but these that locks it in is metal. So this is a sturdy built light tripod, light stand. So if you're going to use this outside, I recommend you get a sandbag or hang your camera bag from it. But a setup like this, you really need some kind of weight to put down because it's light, and if it's with a softbox like that, it might get blown away. So guys, this is the unit itself. You could get it on Amazon. The only thing that doesn't get included in here that you need is a trigger. Geekoto makes a trigger. They make 3 different types of trigger. They make a Canon, Nikon, and Sony. So buy the appropriate one. They all work. TTL, high-speed sync, but you have to get the right one for your camera. And this one is $40, which is a bargain compared to a lot of the other one out there. And it's nicely built, pretty hefty, and it gives you 4 groups and 16 channels. This unit works with the Geekoto Commander, which is also like a Canon Commander, so they use the same signal, but it also works with a gold dot trigger or a Flashpoint Trigger. So this is the Flashpoint Trigger. So right now, if I was to hit fire, there's nothing, even though it's channel 1 group A. So if I hold down the plus and minus, and you see that A come up, now if I hit, so that's how you switch over the trigger. So right now, the gold dots is in control, but if I switch it back over, now it's on the Geekoto Commander, and now it fires. So this is the Geekoto GT200 200 watt flash unit. This is all included in this kit. So inside the bag, again, you got your flash, you got your diffuser, you got your light stand. It's all included in here. You just need to get the trigger. Hope that helps. Thank you guys.